Yes, I finished the game. Oh no, it's Flick.
Saturation Flick, how dare you get the She Went That Way on PlayStation 4 Pro from?
Yes, I found in Big W.
Saturation Flick, how dare you play the She Went That Way on PlayStation 4 Pro? You know very well that She Went That Way on PlayStation 4 is a video game. That's it. You're grounded for the 2025. 2 months is November and December. Go to your room right now.
Wow.